All right, guys, it is Lifting Titan here, or Titan here with Realms Gaming, and I have another really exciting update for you guys. Right here is a gorgeous screenshot of kind of the beach and all the good stuff. Let's go ahead and play here. So, as you guys will see, let me go ahead and actually take off the BRX logo really fast. Okay, so you guys can see better. As you guys can see, there is more power-up functionality now. So, if you go ahead and run over one, so it's the base turbo boost. Boom. It also is now pressable by the power-up button key. Let's say that you have a shield. There you go. This is really exciting, guys. I also have the end game, end of race per laps set up. So let's go ahead and do one. We got Cannonball you guys just saw. Great work from Getty on that. So as you guys see, the power-ups are going to work no matter how many shield power-up bricks you pass up. And there you go. There is lap one. I'm going to go ahead and do another lap for you guys just so you guys can see some of the other really good work that we've been working on. There still is no Cannonball power-up, but there's the lightning. And we have it set up unlike the first game where if you are currently in a power-up and you run over a power-up or a level up, it will not trigger. So you have to actively be on not having a power-up again. There's that awesome cannonball effect that we added in there. And there's the 8-second shield. So hope you guys are enjoying the process. Let me go ahead and show you guys some of the code that we have in now. It's getting a little complex, just a little bit. So here is the, oops, wrong one. So all of the Kart stuff, guys, is going to be in the parent class for Vehicle Advanced Pawn. We had to clean this up a little bit. So over here is the UI, the camera, and the movement. And then over here, as you guys can see, as you know what the power-up colors are, this is all just for the power-ups. So to start, input action, let me go ahead and open one of the blueprints too. You guys are kind of getting more of a deep dive on this one. Just, you know, we've been working really hard on this. We worked all day on this. And I'm really excited to kind of show you guys. It's just we'll walk through the projectile one. So when you pick up the overlap, it's going to cast to the Vehicle Advanced Pawn, which is our parent class for our carts, all the carts. You're going to activate the projectile and then destroy the power-up. So what does this do? Well, this is going to trigger a custom event, whether it's a projectile, a shield, a hazard, or a boost. And we're pretty much going to branch out. This is going to check to make sure that it is pretty much always a power-up. And we use power-up. We were going to do it individually, but this was going to be more efficient. So right here, you also then have the current level power-up, which is going to determine if you have any power-ups, upgrade power-ups activated. So these trees are pretty much all the same for all of them. We then did a numero, I forget what Getty called it, but basically it's so we can have everything in one pretty much variable. It's kind of like an array. And then over here, 0, again, in programming is power-ups 1, so tier 1, no tier 1, 2, and 3. As you guys can see, it's going to set whatever's in the enumerator to the string, and it's going to output to the holding power-ups when you guys have it. Meanwhile, this one is pretty much going to be the level up. If it's shielded, no, and it's a power-up, go ahead and you don't have one, go ahead and branch out to true and false. If it is false, we're going to level it up, and then this is the UI stuff for if you have a cannonball, it's going to switch to grappling hook to lightning, lightning to rockets. So that is all the UI stuff. Then this is going to go through input action, use power up, which right now I have key mapped to left shift. You're only going to be able to press it once, branch, and then set current level power up. Again, that is going to override whatever you have. And then as you guys can see, these are all branched out. So the lightning one here, mesh to the VFX system. The shields are pretty much done, guys, for the most part. I'm pretty sure we need to make things bounce off of them, but when anything hits it, it should just automatically negate. So here's the 5-second shield, the 6-second shield, the 8-second shield, and 10-second shield. I hope to, once you guys unlock the master game mode, to go ahead and be able to have buffs to this. So your 8-second shield is then, add 2 seconds on. Or, your lightning strike does more damage and chains to, 2 other carts or 1 other cart. Right here is the damage event and the remove shield once damage or timer runs out. Lots of booleans in here. This is in the hazard, guys. The only hazard that is currently set up properly is the oil slick. Then down here, all of the boosts are done and work minus the speed boost. Now, the one thing you guys might notice, in the original game, it was a time warp. Since there are going to be checkpoints on every track, we are going to make it so the final one will basically teleport you forward to the next checkpoint, or whatever distance you are from the last checkpoint, it's going to push you forward that far through the next. So if you're halfway through checkpoint 1, it'll push you through to checkpoint 2.5. So that is why it is a checkpoint warp. There's also not going to be a flying one. It's going to be a double extra turbo boost. This one is going to just absolutely just wreck. It'll be really fun to see in action. So this is kind of all of the scripting we did today. And here it is again in the actual power up. And then just one more time, guys. Let's just go ahead and do one more lap. Actually, let's go ahead and do it from the actual, let's say you guys are actually playing the demo. So as you guys can see, the power-ups are going to work. See, so that did reset itself. We're still working on that. And as you guys saw, it did not switch out the power-ups if you were not actively in one. That is also something that we need to look at for right now. So as you guys can see, it didn't do it, and now it's stuck on Cannonball, which is a known little issue we are having. But again, let me just go ahead and do it. Yeah. Let me do it just one more time. Let's do the big one. Let's do the android's car. Yeah, and the steering on this one is a little stupid. So 5-second shield. Okay, and then... Oh god, yeah, the steering on this is not good. Oh man, it is not good. All right, lightning. There you go. So oil slick is still a work in progress. That is just not good. And it will stay active until it's not active anymore. Then there's the shield. So you guys kind of saw all the power-ups. It is coming along really, really good, guys. And I will catch you next time.